Good afternoon. I'm Dawn, and this is my brother Brian, and we're proud to be the second generation of leadership at Drury Brothers, a trucking company providing industrial waste hauling solutions for both solid and liquid materials. On the screen is a roll-off box, also known as a dumpster, or for those of you that are unfamiliar, it's essentially an oversized trash can. We're excited to show you how our redefined roll-off box cuts cost, reduces landfill waste, and supports a circular economy. It has delivered real results for one of our customers and has the potential to transform many more businesses across Michigan and nationwide. With years of experience in trucking, we continually encountered the challenges of hard-to-remove waste from the roll-off boxes. One common example is filter cake loads, the sludge-like material that is sticky, heavy, and tough to manage. These loads required expensive industrial liners, aka garbage bags, to make it possible to come out of the box. And worse, these liners take decades to decompose in the landfill. Seeing firsthand how widespread this problem was with a variety of waste streams across numerous industries, we knew something had to change, so we set out to develop a better solution. Our solution is the sliding wall roll-off box. Ryan designed an innovative roll-off box featuring a gravity-assisted sliding wall. When the box is raised for dumping, the wall slides downward, forcing the material out, functioning much like a spatula would in a bowl, eliminating the need for liners. To put this in perspective, one of our customers used 520 liners a year. That's more than 3 tons of plastic that was sent to the landfill, along with their 520 loads of organic waste. By eliminating the liners, they saved money. They cut out the plastic waste, they improved operational efficiency. It was not just a win for the environment, but it gave them a clear competitive edge. Now imagine the impact of this solution deployed across many businesses in Michigan and nationwide. By keeping tons of plastic out of the landfills and unlocking new lanes for waste diversion, we're empowering industries to manage waste more responsibly and substantially. The sliding wall box is a highly versatile solution, ideal for managing wide range of materials, such as filter cake, construction or demo debris, or agricultural products, just to name a few. Its flexibility makes it valuable to businesses of all sizes across all industries. After decades of a minimal change in roll-off boxes, we saw a clear opportunity to innovate. With a strong, well-developed concept, we filed for both a utility and design patent, which are currently in final approval. Results of our beta tests speak for themselves. With 2 sliding wall boxes in operation for just over a year, our customer saw a savings of $28,000 in liner cost savings, successfully diverted the 520 loads from the landfill to a composter, and they're now a true zero waste facility. We have a proven production-ready product with no direct competitors. Development is already underway to adapt the sliding wall system to dump trucks and dump trailers, expanding our reach across the waste hauling industry. To support our growth this product line over the next 12 months, we need to invest strategically across operations, staffing, and marketing, totaling $435,000. These funds will boost production and speed up our market entry. We are ready to take orders and launch operations. We're seeking introductions to buyers and insights on grant opportunities. If anyone in the audience is a buyer or can share a contact or a lead, we'd love to connect with you after this session. Drury Brothers was founded in 1966 by our father and our uncle, and we've been hauling industrial waste since the 70s and continue through today. Working together, we are all building a cleaner world for the future generations to come. We sincerely thank NextCycle for choosing our redefined roll-off box to be in this showcase, and we welcome any questions that you may have.